everyone. My name is Jacob Rothenberg. I am a full-time Kindle publisher, and in fact, I've actually known Ahilan for almost 2 years now. We were one of the first members in a Kindle publishing course. We started out together, and we've both helped each other reach eventual massive success with Kindle publishing. So I know Ahilan very well. He was gracious enough to give me a review copy of Passive Income Publishing Academy, which is going to be your all-in-one, all-inclusive reference guide to everything related to making passive income, arguably the easiest way online using Kindle publishing. So whether you're brand new to Kindle publishing, this course has everything that you need covered as far as niche selection for your books, keywords that you'll need to research and how to assess, how to set up, how to 10x them through your Amazon configuration, how to write a killer book subscription, how to do a book design, how to outsource your books, different ways to get reviews done, white hat ways with building an audience, building an email list. You know, I could just keep reading off these lessons, but I've gone through the course. It's truly great stuff. It's, again, all-inclusive. Once you buy this course, I would venture to say that you really don't need another course at all for nonfiction self-publishing. So guys, again, if you're brand new, this is going to cover everything you need. And even if you're a more intermediate Kindle publisher, there was definitely some takeaways that I was shocked to find out, and I don't want to give any spoilers away, but there were some definitely huge gems in the ACX audiobook section I had no clue on. So just wanted to give my shout out. This course is very, very well worth the money you need to put down for it. It's more than an investment. I think it's a great opportunity to learn Kindle publishing, learning it the right way, and reaching success. So hats off to you, Ahilan.